welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Kadeen. Welcome. Please consider joining the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a foundation review from makiage. I've never heard of this company prior to seeing them on Instagram. So I was on Instagram and I noticed that the advertisement keep popping up on my feed. So I said, okay, let me try, go check them out and see what it was all about. It promises to find your correct foundation or your right foundation based on your skin tone. So what they do is ask you to take like a quiz, and I'll be going through the quiz with you so you could have an idea of the questions that they ask you. I'm going to show you the product and I'm going to show you the packaging and so forth. So it comes in this packaging right here. This is how they package it. Something fell out. Alright, so they have here a card that says over 75% of women get foundation wrong. Get yours right. I think they have like 6 steps on here. First, they said apply 2 pumps to your entire face, jaw, and neckline. 2, blend out with a brush or sponge, not by hand. 3, wait 5 minutes for foundation to set before checking the shade, and so forth. Yeah, I won't read all of that. And guys, they say this is the full size, and it's 1 fluid ounce. Here it is. And the shade that they recommend for me was 165. So I don't know. To me it looks a little bit light, but I'll guess I'll see when I put it on because I haven't opened the bottle or anything as yet. So this is a full-size bottle and it is 1 fluid ounce, and what they do is to give you a 14 days trial. So all I had to do was to pay for shipping, which I think was like $5 to $7, and they give you 14 days to try the product. If you don't like it, you could return it free. But if you do intend to keep the product, I think it's gonna cost you like $44. So I don't know about the price. I guess it's gonna be based on how the product matches my complexion, but let's see. I'm gonna try it out and we're gonna see what it's all about. I went ahead and I did my eyebrows. So I'm gonna continue the rest of my makeup and then we're gonna try this out. I'm gonna go over the questions that they ask you on the site. So one of the first question they ask you is, what kind of skin type are you? Do you have dry skin, oily skin, or combination? So I chose oily. The next question was, what kind of coverage are you looking for? So they have lightweight or full coverage. You choose what you want. I was going for full coverage. What kind of finish are you looking for? So they have matte, they have neutral, they have luminous. I chose matte, of course. So they have 50 shades of foundations. They show you a bunch of pictures with let me show you a bunch of pictures with different skin tone. Yeah, so they show you a bunch of pictures with different skin tones. So you go ahead and you set the one that you think best matches your skin type. Those are the questions that they ask you, and then based on the answers that you give, they come up with a foundation that they think best suits your complexion. So like I said before, the one that they came up with for me was 165, and I'm sorry. So we're gonna see if that one is gonna work out. I'm not sure. I did my eyebrows already, so I'm gonna start off with my eyes. I'm gonna continue with my eye makeup. So I'm gonna start off with a high shadow base by New York. And this is a white base. I don't like to use it very I don't like to use it too often. But yeah. Now let's You know what? Let me do one eye at a time. I'm not gonna put it on both of them right now. I don't want it to dry out too much. Alright, so I'm gonna be using a new palette that I bought, and this is from Plain in Makeup by Yolanda, the Jam Rack, and this is the pastel eyeshadow palette. And look how pretty it is. Look at this. Also gonna be using my Too Faced palette as well. Chocolate gold. Which color? I want to use. Which color am I gonna start off with? Alright, so I'm gonna start off with Imani from the Jam Rack palette. I'm gonna start off with this one right here. So I went ahead and I did my high makeup, eyeshadow. I put my lashes on, and now it's time for the moment of truth. So we're gonna see how well this matches my complexion. So I don't know, I think it's a little bit light, but we'll see. Takes a little while to pump up. Alright, alright, alright. Oh my god. Oh my god, what do you guys think? Alright. It says 2 pumps for the entire face, but I don't see that happening. Oh mamma mia. I don't know how I feel about this. This says they did say to let it sit for 5 minutes before you kind of judge. I don't know, maybe it could work. But to me, I don't think this is full coverage. I mean, I'm not getting that full coverage that I hope I would be getting. Pull this up a little bit. Ah, oh shit. Oh, I stick myself in the eye. Oh, oh my god. What do you guys think? Okay, so I don't know how I feel about this. I really don't think it's full coverage, and that's the one that I actually wanted. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. And I think it's a little bit too light for my complexion as well. So I'm just gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes like they said, and then I'm gonna see if it's gonna set. See, usually the makeup that I wear is from MAC, and this is a 7.5. You could see compare both of them, you could see that this is a lot darker, and so I don't know. I guess I could probably use both of them by mixing it together. I guess that would make a big difference. But I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna be using this concealer by MAC, and this is a NC35. I don't think they have, I'm not sure, but I don't think they have these anymore. And I'm using a matte, and this is the blunt matte. So next I'm gonna be using a highlighter, and I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. Alright, so guys, this is the final look. I think I did a good job with this makeup. Guys, I'm not a professional makeup artist or anything, you know, I'm just somebody who does my makeup every now and then. I don't wear makeup every day. I'm not a makeup person like that. So in retrospect, I think I kind of misjudged the foundation. Like it says on the card, you have to let it sit for 5 minutes or so and let it set, you know, in the skin for you to determine whether it's your match or not. So now that I've completed the makeup, and looking at it how it's looking right now, I would say that it was pretty good coverage. It blends with my complexion. I mean, now that I'm looking at it, it's not actually too light. It's perfect for me right now. So I'm back with the final look. As you can see, my makeup turned out pretty good. I think in retrospect, I was kind of judging this foundation a little bit too harshly at first, because when I first put it on my skin, I was saying that it's a little bit too light for me, but after it was sitting there, it kind of blended with my skin and gave me a good coverage, I would say. So I would definitely be using this. So I guess I'll be paying the $44 because you have like a 14 days free trial, and after 14 days they'll charge you the full price. And this is also a full bottle. This is not a sample size. So this is, if you purchase it, this is what you're gonna get, the 1 ounce bottle. So I would say it did a pretty good job. I would definitely recommend it. The makeup turned out pretty nice. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate the love, the support. Thank you guys. If you do like the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and you could also comment in the comment section below, have you ever heard about this brand, Makiage? It was my first time hearing about it a couple of weeks ago on Instagram. So let me know if you are aware of this brand and if you ever tried this foundation before. Alright guys, so thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Bye.